Actually, you can never fall those anywhere.
I've been wanting to get this spot on camera for a while. That's a sweet rig. Whew! Little slick.
Yeah.
So this is dried out lake bed in Piedmont. Kind of a basher slash rock crawler slash rock basher. It's just like Red Canyons the whole way.
Yeah. You need to put that in my pocket?
Pretty fun little spot. What do you think? There's more to it.
There's a lot to
take in.
Yeah, I mean, there's just a lot of stuff you can do.
Over here is a pretty... So across all this wall is like the crawling lines, I figured. And then there's little stuff in between. You'll have this too. It's funny, they try to impress us sometimes and they'll crash doing wild stuff.
But how wild.
Like donuts and funny shit like that. Nothing crazy.
Big wild.
Yeah.
Kind of jump this a little bit.
Oh yeah.
What? What happened?
Let's see if I can crawl. Wow, way slick.
Do I have to follow you?
No, it's way slick. Be careful. Good catching?
A few nights ago I caught 10, but...
Dang. What's up?
Alright.
So if I remember right, there's some pretty sweet canyons over here. There's a really cool waterfall over here. I'll wait. How about that? The obligatory photo. Very slippery, ladies. Okay. It was so wild. Jason, check this out. Over here is the part I was hoping that would be good, and it's perfect. Look at this canyon. Got the waterfall that goes that way, and there's these canyons that go up.
Oh shit.
Yeah, dude, it's cool. Yeah. Oh. Wow, made it up it. That's sweet. Oh boy. Dude, let me get a picture of that up there, Jason. Come forward a little bit. Right there.
Go, get out of the way.
That's sweet. You've never been down in here like this? Oh! Ah! Hate that. Man. Didn't do terrible. Could have done better though, couldn't I? Scared the whole family. I like this eye level stuff. Yeah, this would be a fun RC day out here. Wow.
Hey, you made it up and you gotta get down like, hey look, no, like down on the ground.
Oh.
Like when she gets older. I'll send her to,
Alright.
dude, I didn't realize how decent she records.
Yeah.
Like she zoomed in,
Holds it still.
yeah. Those videos that I made on Instagram.
She shot those?
were her.
That's rad.
Yeah.
That's
I was
funny.
like, damn.
She's holding it steady.
Yeah. The way she zoomed is what impressed me.
That's awesome. That's always so, like, it's good to start them on a hobby.
Right.
Especially one that can actually make money nowadays. When I started, it wasn't that much money in it. You all right?
You good,
Oh,
baby?
you're good.
Hey,
Come up here.
hey. This is why you cannot run around. Okay? Listen, you can play. You do not just take off running, okay? Are you good? Yeah?
Ah, I won't go up. You're good. I promise you I won't run over you this time.
If you do, I might drop the phone.
That's a good shot right there. That's so cool looking.
Damn, that's steep. I knew that was steep.
And it digs in pretty. That's wild.
That was good.
That was sick. You're Austin Powers guy.
OBA. I like that little line where you go up right towards Olivia.
Oh,
Yeah, back up where you're at. I'm gonna come up right where you're at.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
no.
like scoot to the side.
it'll be slow.
This way. Hey, look, this way. Stand by that plant. Right there. Yeah. And me and Blake will come up there.
If you run over me, I might drop your phone.
Okay, you can drop my phone if I run over. You gonna record? You better get down low. You gotta get me and Blake. Oh. It's worn out now? Is
No.
that second gear?
No, that's second gear.
Oh, now he's cheating.
That won't happen.
This will be the only reason why I never come back here. Fuck.
Quad bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which I get it. Hell, I'd be the same way if I was little. I'd be out here like, fuck.
That's awesome. You guys like the Phoenix Asian place.
Oh, dude, that's our favorite. What?
Me too. Me and Raven won't go to the Chiner. So gross. Man, you're making me want to get my basher out, dude. Tempted. Tempted.
I'll go grab it and leave this out here. I gotta drive 2 back. She's gotta carry one.
Yeah, it's true. I might go get it. I need to get one of those too.
I'm gonna try to hit you right here. Boom, a little double action, but it's a steep. I don't know if it's gonna do it.
Nice. I think it's time to go get the basher. I won't. This thing is sick out here.
Is it?
Yeah. Nice little evening session. A little dusted out over here. This is rad, dude. Dusty. This is the spot to get wide open. Golly.
Take your allergy medicine, kid.
Yeah. Here's some cool crawling stuff for the 24th. This would be a fun 24th place.
Oh, fuck yeah.
The canyons are that scale.
Hell, that's even good for
Tents. Yeah. Yeah. Damn. I bet these rocks will tear up those tires. Perfect traction.
Come from this way and like see if you can bomb out some dirt right here along
Okay.
this edge. Just maybe.
Okay. I don't want to roost you.
No, you're good. Roost it this way, yeah, like that way right there. Like right here close to me, I'll get all.
How's that look?
That's pretty long.
All right.
I should have followed it more. I didn't follow it out.
I won't dust you out. I don't know what's more fun here, this or the crawler.
For that, I don't know.
Yeah.
There's not much for a big thing.
It's more a max thing.
Right. Yeah, plus you can get them set. Now I can go get the typing. You can grab the typing out here.
Oh, I'm good. I might go grab my, well, shit. Probably 8:30, don't you think?
It's getting close. 8:20.
It's 8:20.
8:20.
Should we put an order in?
Oh yeah, they're about to close.
Uh-huh.
Oh, we can head that way.
I'm down if you guys are.
Yeah.
I wanted to come check this place out.
Yeah, I might talk her into coming here tomorrow morning.
Sweet.